Project needs a little coaxing to display features, sprints, and releases the way you probably want to see them. Tracking and communicating progress also works differently in Agile projects compared to traditional project management. Custom fields are the key to making project Agile friendly. To get to custom fields, on the Project tab, click the Custom Fields button. The basic fields you need are really simple. The first custom field we're going to create is one to designate a task as a backlog feature. For that, I'm going to head to the Type drop-down list and choose Flag. I might as well start with Flag 1. It's already selected. All I'm going to do is click the Rename button, and I'm going to rename it to Feature. When I click OK, I can see the alias in the list. We'll use this field to filter task lists to show only your backlog features. Now we're going to set up fields to specify the release and sprint for our features. I'm going to use a number field for that. In the Type drop-down list, choose Number. Once again, I'll start with number 1. I'm going to rename that one to Release Number. So that's going to specify which release of feature belongs to. Next, I'll select number 2 and rename that to Sprint Number. When I click OK, now I have both of those aliases in place. Sprint Number is going to track the sprint within a release. With these fields, you'll be able to group the features worked on by release and sprint. Now I'm going to set up a third number field. I select number 3, and this one I'm going to rename to Feature Points. I click OK, and I've got that custom field in place. We're going to use this field to decide which features to assign to a sprint. Priority is another aspect that influences the sprint you assign a feature to. For that field, I'm going to use a text field. Up in the Type drop-down list, I'm going to choose Text, and I'll start with Text 1. So I'm going to rename it to Feature Priority. Go ahead and click OK. Let's create a lookup table so that we can specify the valid values for priority. Now that I've got it renamed, all I have to do is go down to the Custom Attributes section and click the Lookup button. In the first value cell, I'll type low for low priority. Then I can press Enter, and that pops me into the next cell, so I can go ahead and type medium, and press Enter again and put in high. To be very clear, we can also add descriptions, and I'm going to do that. So I select the first description cell, and I type low priority. I can press Enter. I type in medium priority and press Enter one last time, and this time I'll add high priority. That's all I have to do. Click Close to close the Edit Lookup Table dialog box, and then we're done with these fields. Go ahead and click OK to close the Custom Fields dialog box. Those are the basic custom fields we're going to use to manage an Agile project in Microsoft Project. In another movie, you'll see a few additional custom fields for tracking velocity.